Hello students, we'll continue our chapter 4 in this video. Water. Water is very important for good health. Water helps us to digest food, get rid of wastes in body and keep our skin healthy. We should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water in a day. As you all know, water is very important for our good health. Water helps us to digest food. Whatever food we eat, water helps us to digest that food. Get rid of the wastes in the body. Whatever waste is collected in our body, that is also taken out via water. Water helps us to get rid of all those wastes. And it also keeps our skin healthy. We should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water in a day. Good eating habits. Eat food at fixed time. We should eat food at fixed time. We cannot eat all the day. We should try to eat at fixed time. Wash your hands before and after eating meals. We should wash our hands before eating and after eating any meal. Before eating, wash fruits, vegetables and pulses properly. Before eating, we should wash our fruits, vegetables and pulses properly. Neither eat too much nor eat too little. We should eat in a limited quantity. We should not eat too much. We should not eat too little. Chew the food properly. We should chew our food properly. Eat only fresh and healthy food. We should only eat fresh and healthy food. Do not talk while eating. We should not talk while eating. Do not buy food from street vendors. We should avoid buying food from street vendors. We should avoid eating junk food, or we should avoid eating food which we get from market. Whatever we want to eat, we should try to make it at home and then we should eat it. Eat lots of green vegetables and fresh fruits. We should eat lots of green vegetable and fresh fruits. It keeps us healthy. Variety in food. India is a land of diversity and has a variety of races, languages and food. As you all know, India is a land of diversity. Different kind of people, different kind of dresses, different kind of languages, different kind of food is found here. People wear different dresses, people speak different kind of languages, people eat different kind of foods. Food eaten in any area depends upon the crops and geographical conditions prevalent in that area. Whatever food people eat in whatever area they live depends upon the crop which is grown there and depends upon the climatic conditions which is found there. People living in areas around the coast eat a lot of fish as it is easily available. See, if we see people, those who live nearby coasts, they eat lot of fish. Why? Because it is easily available there. All the students come from different backgrounds and bring different kinds of food. All the students, those who study in the school, they are not of same kind or they are not of same background. They come from different background and they eat different kind of food. All the students, each and every student bring different kinds of food in the tiffin. I hope you have seen that all the students, means your friends, you bring something else, your friends bring something else. So students in the school also bring different kinds of food. We must try to share as much as we can. We should try to share our food so that we can enjoy all kind of food. We should respect the diversity of food habits, and we should respect the diversity in our food habits. People of different age groups need different food, and even in different quantities. Different age groups need different food, and they need it in different quantities. Very small children need milk and soft food such as porridge in a small quantities. Babies, they need only milk, or they eat soft food in form of porridge or something else, but in very small quantities. They do not eat so much of food. A growing child eats all kind of food in a greater quantity than that of a baby. A baby eats less food, but a growing child eats all kind of food and in a greater quantity. An adult needs a balanced diet that contains cereals, pulses, and vegetables. And an adult needs balanced diet means balanced diet. I've told you earlier, right food in the right quantity. Such kind of diet is called balanced diet. So adult needs balanced diet which contains cereals, pulses, fruits and vegetables. Very old people need soft and easily digestible food. Old people need very soft and digestible food, food that is easily digested. Healthy food versus junk food. We know that we should always eat healthy food. It keeps our body fit and helps us to grow. We should always eat healthy food. It keeps our body fit and help us to grow. We must try to keep away from junk food as it is not healthy and make us sick. We should stay away from junk food because it is not healthy and it can also make us sick. Some examples of junk food that we eat, that we daily see around us are chips, pizzas, burger, french fries, cold drinks. Some examples of junk food that we daily see around us are chips, pizzas, burgers, french fries and cold drink. These are all junk foods. We should stay away or avoid eating such kind of food. We should not make it a habit to eat junk food. We must carry healthy food in our tiffin too. We should not make habit to eat junk food. We should try to take healthy food or keep healthy food in our tiffin too. That's all for today. We'll continue this chapter in our next video. Till then, stay safe.